Hello, my dear students. UT1 syllabus we have done. Explanation with question answers. Now we'll start with term 1 syllabus, and for that we'll start with the 11th chapter, that is Internet and its services. The topics we are going to cover in this chapter: Internet, uses of Internet, entertainment on the web, sharing photos on the web app, LinkedIn, TeamViewer, social networking, blogging, WhatsApp Messenger, video conferencing, FTP, e-commerce, e-banking, searching information on internet, popular search engines, right? There are so many topics and this is a very interesting chapter also. So let's start with the first term, that is internet, basic term. And you all are much aware with that term because nowadays each and every person is using internet. So you must be knowing about it. The internet, also called the net, is one of the largest networks that links millions or trillions of computers all over the world. See, internet, it is a world wide web, okay? It is a network of networks, right? Where so many PCs are interconnected, computers are interconnected, millions or trillions computers are interconnected with that internet. It is a widely used research tool through which we are doing research also, providing us with access to global information and instant communication. Means any information regarding to any person, anything, any place, or any of the document, the source of information about anything we can search, we can access easily with the help of internet, and instantly we can do instant communication also. Earlier that was very difficult to send our messages through letters, handwritten letters. We were posting the letters and it will take a lot of time to reach to the point. But here nowadays with the help of internet, it becomes very easy to send our textual messages, to send videos, photos, to do video conferencing, face to face. We can talk with our friends and relatives, those who are living far from us. So that is all because of internet. Okay, it is possible just because of internet. Today, more than 1 billion users around the world access a variety of services on the internet. Okay, means every person is using internet, are getting benefited. Okay, the World Wide Web and email are two of the most widely used internet services. These are the services almost every person is using. That is, first is the www, that is World Wide Web, and another one is email, right? The internet offers many facilities at your fingertips. Using internet, you can send messages to others. I told you about, like, you can easily send messages to others, meet new friends. You are meeting with new friends through a variety of social networking sites. We are making new friends, do banking, each and every task related to banking that we has to reach on the particular bank if we want to take advantages. So now with the help of internet, we can do all the banking tasks, all the banking work, sitting at our home, right? Make investments, okay, means transferring money, do shopping from pin to a large buffalo. We can say we can shop with the help of internet, fooding items, clothes, footwears, everything, right? Fill prescriptions, file taxes, learn. Each and every book is available on internet. You can search, you can go through on it, and you can read, you can take the advantage of that book. Play games, you can download also games, listen to music or watch movies. The advantage of the internet is that you can access it from the computer anywhere. Means you are sitting anywhere, only you need internet connection and you can take the advantages from your home, at your workplace, at a school, or at a restaurant. Okay, nowadays the main purpose of purchasing computers and mobile phones are internet, and you can see that only this is internet through which your education is possible nowadays, right? Without internet, it is not possible that in that age, in that difficult situation, we are taking advantage of education. You are studying sitting at your home, we teachers are teaching you, so this is possible only because of internet. Okay, so there is a lot of things related to internet given inside that chapter. Okay, about the uses of internet I'll tell you in our next video, right? Thank you.